In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multilingual Squarespace website. Setting up a multilingual site can vastly expand your reach and accessibility, catering to a global audience. And the good news, it's easier than you might think. Today we'll accomplish this using a handy tool called Weglot, which will seamlessly integrate with your Squarespace site. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to be logged into your Squarespace account. So open your browser, head to the Squarespace website, and click on the login button. If you're looking for a streamlined login process, clicking continue with Google will save you a few keystrokes provided your account is linked. Now that you're in, select your website from the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Next, we need to navigate to your site settings. So, click on settings. This is typically in the configuration panel. Once you're there, look for the website tab and click on it. This is your hub for all things related to your website's setup. Within the website tab, click on site languages. Here's where we start the process of adding multiple languages to your site. Next, we'll delve into the multilingual section. Click on that to explore your options for making your site accessible in different languages. In this section, you'll see an option to connect with Weglot. Click on Connect. Weglot is a powerful plugin that does the heavy lifting of translating your website's content. Once you click Connect, you'll be prompted to allow Weglot to integrate with your Squarespace site. Go ahead and click on Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Now, you'll need to enter your Weglot credentials. Begin by typing in your email address followed by your password. Don't have an account? No problem. You can easily sign up directly from this interface. After typing in your credentials, click on Login or Sign Up to proceed. The final step involves following the instructions provided by Weglot. These instructions will guide you through the final adjustments needed to fully enable multilingual support on your website. And that's it! You're all set to welcome a wider audience by offering content in multiple languages. Using Weglot simplifies what could otherwise be a complex process, ensuring your message is heard loud and clear across language barriers. Creating a multilingual Squarespace website is not only a strategic move, but also an investment in better user experience for your visitors. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your newly multilingual site.